You know how some dishes just sneak up on you and become a little obsession. That was me with kimchi fried rice, back when Kokee Kitchen was still Dak Bop. We ordered it every single time we dined there. It didn't matter what else was on the table. That kimchi fried rice had to be part of the meal, and then to top it up, we always ordered crunchy fried chicken, Korean crunchy fried chicken. After a while, I thought, why not try making it at home? And honestly, it turned into one of the easiest, most satisfying dishes in my weekly rotation. And what do you need? That's the best. One thing I love about this recipe is that how simple it is. You don't need much, just a few pantry staples and a bowl of kimchi. I'm Sue, storyteller, creator, and explorer of soulful experiences. From kitchens to hidden gems, I share journeys that blend heritage, mindfulness, and discovery. Day-old rice. This is a pro tip. You cook a little extra rice the day before so you're ready to go and you don't have to cook rice again. So cook the day before, keep this rice in the refrigerator and it becomes a little drier and it's perfect for kimchi fried rice. Take it out the next day and then just stir fry, especially if you're thinking you have a busy schedule for that day. Then cook the rice beforehand and then when you come back from work, just take it out. Now you're ready to go. Traditional luncheon meat is used, but here I will give you the variation. If you don't eat pork, use chicken instead. For a vegetarian, you can use firm tofu and also like edamame beans. That way there's extra protein for this kimchi fried rice. And a small bowl of kimchi chopped into small pieces. Kimchi you can easily buy a jar and you can buy it easily in the Asian shop or the Korean shop or the Japanese shop. It's always stored in one of the fresh aisle without the tofu and all that, and then just find one that works for you. The size is important. If you don't use it a lot, you use it sparingly, then just choose a smaller one, sometimes it's about $5.90, and the bigger ones is about 10 or 14, and go for the size that suits your family. Make sure you have eggs. You can use 1 or 2 or 3 depending on how much rice you're going to fry. And then use gochujang sauce. Gochujang is a Korean chili bean paste. Bean paste is actually very good because it has these probiotics for gut health. So go ahead and buy this gochujang. Right now it comes with the chili paste one and it also has just the bean paste one which doesn't have the chili. So choose the one that you will like for yourself. Always choose something that you prefer to eat and there's no right and wrong. Here you can use olive oil or any cooking oil, but I love to use sesame oil because it's fragrant, and in a cold day you can always use sesame oil to warm yourself up. It's very warming and very nutritious. Let's make this. First of all, start by frying the protein, the luncheon meat. So it's very easy to get the luncheon meat out. Just scrape the side of the can and then just let it come out easily, slide out, cut it into cubes. And then all you have to do is take a wok. I like to use the wok because when everything goes in, it's going to be more food and you don't want to spill out when you fry. So start by frying your luncheon meat, the cube luncheon meat, until it's fragrant. Make sure you have some oil. Make sure you fry it about 3 minutes on one side and then turn and then have another 3 minutes on the other side. And wait until the edges are brown because that's when it's perfect and it's very fragrant and it's a little bit crispy. And once it's crispy and golden, remove it from the pan and set it aside. So take it out. So now you're going to fry something else and then you're going to pour it later in. Now prep the rice base. Add a little bit of oil back into the pan. You can, like I said, use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you have. Here I'm using sesame oil. Toss in your day-old rice. Break it up so every grain gets coated and warmed through. The amount of rice depends on how many people are going to eat it. For example, you can measure like a bowl for one person, and if it's for two, you can add two portions, and then more will be 3 bowls and 4, you know. So that is kind of the rule of thumb. And then create the egg mixture. Make a little hollow in the middle of the pan, crack in your eggs and scramble it right there. You might have to add a little oil so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And then once it's halfway cooked, you can put some seasoning, pepper, salt, some soy sauce, if you like to measure. So a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, a sprinkle of soy sauce, and mix it into the rice. Fold all the rice into the eggs mixture so everything becomes one delicious golden base. Now you can add the flavor. You can add a spoonful of gochujang, whether it's spicy or not. Mix it well so the rice now turn into a beautiful red color and pick up all the savory heat. Here you can again add some pepper, some salt, some soy sauce to make it the taste that you liked. And now you bring in the kimchi. You can use a bowl to measure the kimchi, and I like to just use scissors to chop it up and pour in the chopped kimchi, and then there will be a little bit juice that will go all in. Let it sizzle and coat the rice. This is where the magic happens. Now the rice is going to turn into a little bit of soury taste, and if that's what you want, you can add more kimchi, but if you don't like this sour taste, then omit the kimchi. Now you will add back the fried luncheon meat and give it everything a good toss. At this point, the kitchen smells incredible and you're gonna become more hungry. Now if you're vegetarian, firm tofu will go in, and add some edamame beans. If you don't like pork and you want to switch it to chicken, go ahead and add that as well. So at the end, you finish it with the protein by adding it back and giving it a good toss. If you feel that you need to add more of the pepper, the salt, and the soy sauce, go ahead and do it right now. And that's it. It's so simple, flavorful kimchi fried rice you can make anytime at home. Inspired by one of my favorite dishes at Kokee Kitchen, but made with love in my own kitchen. If you try this, let me know how it turns out. And if you want more easy, soulful recipes like this, you already know what to do. If you need help finding or sourcing for kimchi or even luncheon meat or any of the gochujang sauce, please let me know in the comments below. I will be able to help you by doing another video on that. I know there is a boom right now because of K-pop, you know, like all that stuff. So now people are getting used to the Korean dishes and the cuisine. So kimchi, you know, all that stuff. So if you enjoy it at the Kokee Kitchen or some other places, and sometimes you don't have enough time to go out and eat, then just make it at home. Make sure you have these few ingredients, easily the staple. You can keep it for a while. You can keep kimchi in the fridge. You can also keep firm tofu and edamame beans in your fridge, and also the luncheon meat can easily be kept in the pantry. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. If you like this recipe, I will be able to share more of these recipes to all of you, so we can together cook wonderful meal at home and make it flavorful. And it's always good memories to have good food. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.